Hello everyone! I will be showcasing a mod that I just made for Oblivion that I think everyone will find quite interesting. I call it Tiny Dagon, which allows your player to temporarily summon the foe of all mortal races, Mehrunes Dagon. I will be using the mod shortly in one of my acting videos. First, I will show you what the mod does and then show how I made it step by step. Keep listening to see how to put evil on your side. For the mod, I have placed a book in Edgar's discount spells called the Tome of Tiny Dagon. It's on the counter. While it is considered Edgar's property, you can read it without picking it up. Learn the spell when asked, then head out to the streets. Now you want to equip the spell and let it rip. It does not have any skill requirements or require magic points, though others could edit it so it fits their game style. Several miniaturized Mehrunes Dagons are subsequently summoned a distance away from you and quickly draw attention from guards, often taking a few out before they disappear. So how could you make a mod like this? I will show you step by step how to make this mod. Leave a comment on the type of mod you want to make. If you have experience with Skyrim Creation Kit, this will be a piece of cake. You can apply the concepts to any other summon spell you could think of. So first, you need to get the Oblivion construction set and its extender, which requires OBSE. Please pick them up at the links in the video description. Manually install them and open a command prompt as an administrator, going to your Oblivion directory. Now enter the following command to open up the construction set with OBSE loaded. Now, save your empty mod with the preferred name into your Oblivion data folder, which should be the default folder. Next, open the data window and load oblivion.esm while ensuring your mod is set as the active mod. Click OK. Okay, so there are three main parts of this mod. So you need to make a new book that will act as the spell tome and write the script. So the book gives the spell. You need to make the spell itself along with the necessary scripts, and then you need to duplicate your desired creature so you can modify it as you want without messing with the base forms. First, let's make the necessary objects before scripting. On the object window, expand the actor header and click on creature. In the filter box, enter Mehrunes Dagon. Now double click on the creature Mehrunes Dagon entry. Change the ID to add spell summon at the end of it, so you create a new object. I wanted to make a tiny Dagon, so I also edited the base scale to 0.1. Click OK, then click Yes to make a new form. Second, we will make our book. Go to Items, Book, double click on your favorite book to open the window, give it an ID and a name, delete all the book text, and remove any enchantment or teaches entries. Keep the script menu set to none for the moment. Now click OK, and then click Yes on making a new form. Third, we will make our spell. Go to Magic and Spell, right-click on the window and select New. Pick an ID for your spell, give it a name, and set the type to Spell. Now click OK. So fourth, we will make our scripts. So click on the pencil on the toolbar or go to Gameplay Scripts in the menu bar. So we're going to be making two scripts, one to teach the spell when the book is read, and the other to define what happens during the spell. Please create a new script and copy and paste the text I have prepared into the editor. You can access this code in the Nexus mod file I made for this tutorial called givespell.txt. To get it, you just have to download the zip file from my mod page and it'll be right there. The overview of this first script, or Give Summon Dagon Spell script, is that it gives the player a message on activating the book, asking if they want to learn the spell or not. If they click yes, they learn the spell. Save the script and now make a second script. So the second script with the code I use on the Nexus mod page again in the file called summonscript.txt, this script will summon your chosen character, which in this case are 4 tiny Mehrunes Dagons. So you assign the objects, place them, and then you make them smaller because I wanted them to be even smaller. You also include a function that runs once the spell time has run out that will kill these creatures and then teleport them away. Teleporting them away rather than disabling them and killing them is vital because otherwise it could contribute to save game bloat. Save the script and close the editor. Now that we have our scripts, we have to make it so the book and the spell run them. Go back to your new book and double click on it. On that scripts drop-down menu, pick the script that gives the book. Click OK. Next, go to the spell that you made. Right-click on the effect window and click New. For the effect, choose Script Effect and select the script that you made for the summon. Since you do not want the summon to last forever because of that save bloat issue, give it a duration. I chose 15 seconds. You can provide a visual effect if you wish, like I did. Click OK and then click OK again. So great. So now we just have to place the book somewhere in the world. I chose Edgar's discount spells in the Imperial City. On the cell view, pick where you want to put the book. Look at the render window and move roughly where you want to place it. Now drag the book from your object window onto the render window and it should appear. You can click and drag to move the book to your desired location with a double click giving you access to the coordinates, which you can edit. Fantastic! So you have successfully finished writing the mod. Now let's test it out. Click the Launch Game option and Construction Set on the toolbar or run OBSE. Be sure to enable your mod in the Data Files option. Go to Location, read the book, cast a spell, reap the rewards. So this video took a bit more work than usual, so if you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and it really does help my channel. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.
This ain't the best you can do! Take that!